Hi guys! Magandang araw! Nandito tayo sa Vespa Imus Cavite along Aguinaldo Highway, Palikuan, Imus. And sa video na to, ipapakita ko tong bagong rating na GTS 300 Super Sport in Black Opaco. So as we can see, yung body niya is matte black and yung trimmings niya is gloss black. And then yung horn cast nito is color black and yung horn cast clip nito is color red. Ayan guys. Meron siyang color orange decal or stickers sa gilid. Kaya, ang ganda. So, if you're interested with this one, this is available. You may visit them on their showroom or reach them out sa kanilang Facebook page or Viber. Then, yung numbers nila is posted on their Facebook page. So, reach them out. Ayan guys, diba? Very smooth. And sa GTS 300, meron na siyang built-in na foot peg. Ayan guys, 'di ba ang ganda? Ayan, sarado ko lang. Ayan. So, ayan guys, if you're interested with this one is available. And meron tayong mga available na accessories for Vespa GTS 300. So, bye-bye. Thank you for watching guys.